Why iron-ons? Well, why not? We know that purchasing personalized gifts for all occasions can be costly. Let's face it, there is always an occasion to buy for. So we developed our fantastic range of premium iron-ons, which allow you to create your own custom-made t-shirts, tops, totes, accessories, baby wear, and more, all from home with nothing more than a household iron and the pack you receive from us in the post. Sounds good, right? Okay, this sounds tricky. How do I create a personalized t-shirt at home? Actually, it's easy. 1. Place your order and receive your amazing iron-on transfer in the post. Either choose from our great range of designs or personalize your own print. 2. Lay your t-shirt or fabric item on a hard flat surface like a kitchen worktop. 3. Follow our simple instructions to iron your print into place on the item. 4. Peel away the back of the transfer to reveal your amazing print like magic. So what are you waiting for? Time to get creative!